Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my September 2022 IPSY GLAM BAG PLUS unboxing. I'm glad that this still made it in the month of September. It was really cutting it close. But so this is my monthly beauty subscription, like middle tier in IPSY. I mean, the highest tier is only every quarter, so I guess it's the most expensive monthly IPSY subscription. And if you're not familiar with me and my channel, I love beauty subscription boxes. I've actually been wanting to subscribe to more. I already subscribe to all of BoxyCharm, all of IPSY, and the occasional fun boxes will be sent to me in PR. But if you have any other beauty subscription boxes that you would like me to unbox and review on my channel, please let me hear your suggestions in the comments down below. But so I'm gonna go ahead and get into this. What I like about the IPSY GLAM BAG Plus is that you get to choose 3 out of your 5 products, and that has made such an improvement in how much I like this subscription. I mean, it's been this way for a while now, but at this point, I seriously have zero recollection right now of what I actually chose for my glam bag this month. So I feel like I'm going into this completely blind. But so I also really like that you get these drawstring bags in all of the IPSY GLAM BAG Plus, and these are great gift bags. I'll often use these to put like around a bottle of wine or something when I'm gifting it. And this says, "You got this," which is actually a really cute gift bag. However, the one thing that I don't like about the IPSY GLAM BAG Plus is that I still get these little cards, but it doesn't have any product information on it. This just has Glam Guide, 3 makeup trends you're about to see everywhere. Glazed donut skin, the new smoky eye, and monochromatic draping. Okay, we'll keep an eye out for that. At least there is a great IPSY app that I can look up retail values on, because I like to add up the total retail value of my IPSY GLAM BAG Plus because it's all full-size products. So let's go ahead and jump in. Ooh, first I'm pulling out this One Kind Clean Slate Gentle Cleansing Cream. Actually, this is not an exciting product. I thought this was going to be like a hair product or something, but this is just like a face wash. And something about me is that I really just want to get makeup in my beauty subscriptions. So when I get skincare and like especially a cleanser, it's disappointing because I've put so much feedback to IPSY in my reviews and my quizzes about exactly what I want, and I never say that I want skincare. In fact, I always say that I do not want it. So that's the frustrating thing. I'm not too familiar with this brand either. And Gentle Cleansing Cream, like, even though a gentle product is probably best for my skin, I prefer like an intense cleanser. Like, I just, I want it to be like textured. I want my skin to be super clean and like, I want to feel the cleansing, So not only is this like a product that I'm not super interested in getting, it's also like oh no, I couldn't even finish my thought because I just realized I got this product so late that now my IPSY app doesn't even have my September information on it anymore. Wow, what a bummer. Oh, you can go into past bags, and here it is. So the One Kind Clean Slate Gentle Cleansing Cream retails for $28. Okay, let's hope for products I'll be more excited for going forward now. Ooh, okay. Actually, I'm very excited to see this. This is from a brand that I'm not familiar with called Full Ritual Magnetic Balm. First of all, I love to try out products from brands that I'm not familiar with. Second of all, I love to try out like unique types of products. I have no idea what a magnetic balm could be. Oh, this packaging, it's like literally completely blank packaging. And the only thing on here is ingredients. I have no clue what this is. Okay, so the Full Ritual Magnetic Balm in the shade Second Nature retails for $23. It's a lip balm Magnetic Balm provides hydration that leaves your lips feeling silky and glossy. It's rich in squalane and helps lock in moisture to give you soft, supple, and plump lips. Okay, what is magnetic about this? Guess I'm gonna have to try it out to find out, which I think I forgot to mention that I have a series here on my YouTube channel where I try out a new makeup product every day. So all of the makeup products that I get in my beauty subscriptions, I try out in full, dedicated review, tutorial videos, which is why I don't really swatch them or try them on in my actual unboxing videos. But okay, let's see what's next. Ooh, I definitely am familiar with this brand, Ofra. Signature Shadow Palette in Symphony. Ooh, this sounds familiar though. Hopefully this is not a repeat product. Oh no, it is messy. Okay, guess what? I have tried this exact product out before. I got it in BoxyCharm last month, which is a real bummer, especially because BoxyCharm and IPSY are like connected now. And this is all broken and shattered, as you can see. So it's not even like a great product to gift to someone else. I'll try and clean it up because I'm gonna have to pass this along. And it's not even like I can really blame IPSY for sending me a repeat product because technically I got it in BoxyCharm, but that is such a bummer. I was pretty happy with the middle shade here, but the rest of the shades I wasn't very impressed with when I tried this before. So I'll have that video linked in the description down below if you want to see it. Okay, moving on to something else. Oh, this is from the brand Complex Culture, which I get a lot in IPSY because I think IPSY owns this brand or something. And I don't usually really love Complex Culture products. This is the Executive Level Mascara 5-in-1 Lengthening Mascara. And when it comes to mascaras, I am extremely picky. But I'm gonna put this to the test. I'm gonna try it out and hopefully I will be pleasantly surprised. I'm sure you're not gonna mind, but I'm gonna give up on trying to figure out the retail value on these because looking in the IPSY app on past bags is just really tedious and not working out. So let's just continue on. That's what we wanna see, is what actually came in my glam bag, right? Oh. And finally, I have a hair oil with CBD, treatment and styling oil. Looking at my hair right now, I could definitely use this. My hair is a frizzy mess, and I love CBD. So this is from the brand Use Me Hair. You know, I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna put a little on my hair right now. And I'm curious what this smells like. You're supposed to put it on like damp hair, but that's okay. Ooh, that smells really nice. It smells fruity. It smells like melon, I would say. Ooh, it is giving some nice shine to my hair. Oh, and that fragrance, the more I'm smelling it, I love it. So I love when my hair products smell good because then my hair smells good. Oh, that seriously smells incredible. I'm not really sure like what benefits CBD has on hair, but CBD has so many benefits, so I'm sure it's good. That's nice. Help to give a little shine, tame that frizz, which I clearly need this product. Okay, so that's everything that came in my Glam Bag Plus this month, and I'm not too excited about it. I mean, I only got 3 makeup products. One of them is basically a repeat product. These two I'm not overly excited about. The Complex Culture Mascara, the Full Ritual Magnetic Balm, and then I got the One Kind Cleanser, which I don't really need, and then the Use Me Hair Oil, which might be the product I'm most excited to have now. So, I guess let me know in the comments down below if you've tried any of these products, and maybe if you love them, that could make me more excited about them. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.